Hey guys, Ron Bond, Bondo Build Construction. I'm sitting in my shop here looking around and it's really bothering me. The place is a damn mess. So coming up with some ideas on what to do with this place. I think a lot of it's the benches. I need to clear off these benches and I'm going to build some new benches. My benches are too tall, they're too wide, and they don't have any storage in them. So they're basically become a catch-all. So I'll show you the shop. It's pretty embarrassing, but I'm gonna show it to you anyways, and then we're gonna get to building some benches here. I think I'm gonna build one big long bench and put some cupboards in above the bench and put some doors on the bench underneath the bench so that I can have some storage in there. So that'll actually be really good. Clean up the shop because I got a lot of stuff I got to do out in the shop here. I bought a new table saw. I got to cut some plywood down, build some cabinet boxes for the split level house. So got to clean this up. Like I said, it's really been bugging the crap out of me. So just haven't had any time to work out here and get things straightened out. I've been working on that split level house so much and got to get things cleaned up before concrete starts. So I'll take you for a little tour around the shop here, and we'll go from there. Bench, like I said, it's become just a catch-all. Got my toolboxes over here, but then right here, I mean, it's all paint and stuff that we have left over from the houses when we restore them, and just becomes, the damn thing becomes a catch-all. There's no storage in there. There's one shelf on the bottom. The bench is like 36 inches wide, so it's too wide. You can't really put cabinets above it because it's too wide, so I want to narrow it up, get it tighter to the wall, put some cabinets up here, maybe over here where that cabinet is, get rid of that, make some nice steel cabinets with doors on them. And there's my other bench, which is really bad. This bench has just been such a catch-all. Same exact size bench, but it's got, you know, all our dog stuff sitting on it, all his gear, and just a mess. So right there, I want to put a cabinet. I'm going to move that TV. I'm going to put a cabinet right there. And I think I'm going to get rid of this bench completely. I'm going to take this bench here and make it all the way down to the end of those toolboxes. I want a little seating station right at this window, place I can sit down with a stool. I want to get rid of these bar stools here and these bar tables, these two bar tables. I want to get rid of them. They just take up floor space. This is a cabinet I built a couple of years ago. So I'm gonna get around to, that's a sawmill. Where's my sawmill? But this is pretty nice. I used an old toolbox, the bottom is an old Craftsman toolbox and the top is just an old shelf. So I put aluminum doors on it. It's pretty nice. I can put all my stuff in there. That's the top. It's I call it my power tool cabinet. But you open up the bottom. It's pretty nice. There's the old Craftsman label, but I just gutted this old toolbox and left the wheels on it and everything so I can wheel it around. I don't really move it much, but this is kind of what I'm going for. These aluminum doors like this, they're just like 16th inch aluminum, maybe a little thicker, probably 12 gauge aluminum. Got some magnets on them, some light handles. So that's kind of what I'm going for as far as a cabinet is concerned. But like I said, I want to redo that bench. There's my new table saw. So I just bought this table saw used. Pretty sweet. It's a Delta Unisaw. So that's what we're gonna be doing here in the shop the next couple days. Build a new bench. Get rid of this mess. Stay with us. Should be fun. Thanks for watching. thought that was supposed to be our thing.
I have to say bye to her. I don't want to get on
You ain't gotta see her. So here's what the bench looks like prior to cleaning it up with the flap wheel and priming and painting it. I'm pretty happy with it. Come out real nice. Quite a bit of work to it, but I think it's going to be a good addition to the shop. We're gonna put a top on it, obviously, some plywood on the bottom, and there's gonna be a middle shelf there, which we're gonna get going on that. Here it is in the shop, along with the cabinets. This is how it sits in there now. Haven't got the top finished yet, or the plywood shelves in it yet. And you're getting a sneak peek of the cabinets. I'm going to do a part 2 video. It's going to show you how I built these cabinets. These cabinets were easy to build, so I encourage you to watch the part 2 on how I did that. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Throw me a comment. Thanks.